She eating now here, no? Yung mga kapatid niya. She's too much sister. So, how many? 5? 6? 6. Only for kitten food. Don't eat. Maybe you want milk, only milk. Milk, only milk. Oh. Ayan. This one is very cute. Ay, cute. Ayan po. Ang dami nila. Dito sila nakatira sa may Electra. Dito sa banda. Ayan, Electra. Ayan yung mama nila. Miming! Ay, go na Miming ah. Eat kayo, eat well.